Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christine and we're going to whip together some cold brew coffee to put in our refrigerator to be ready for tomorrow. So come on with. Okay, so I am making my cold brew. So I have a half-gallon mason jar. I also have the lid that I bought on Amazon. I love it. It's super sturdy. I am not afraid to pick up the full jar with it. And I have my coffee. This is my Door County coffee. My husband and I are kind of snobs. And then the cold brew filter. So I actually took it out of one. Of course, I found it at Goodwill. And then I have my Berkey water that I keep in my fridge in my skinny pitcher. So this literally fits on here. And the way that I measure, it's basically like doing a pot of coffee. So however many cups that you like, I'm doing that many tablespoons. So that's one. And I usually do about 5 or so. All right, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay. And then you pour over it, and then it just filters through, and then you let it steep overnight. I don't know if you can see that. I don't have my good lights on right now. I'm just trying to get this done before bedtime. And I'm going to get my tall, skinny spoon out. And then after it kind of drains down, you want to fill it up to the area where the coffee is. Sometimes you just kind of have to wait. I think you can see it kind of draining through here. Yeah, it is summertime, warmer weather, meaning not so much hot coffee, even though my husband and I do like it. But we're gonna do some cold brew. And then I usually just let this steep overnight, just depending on how strong you want it. Okay. So right now, I'm just gonna pour a little bit more and that'll be the end of it. Give it one last stir. Okay. And then this stays on right now. This doesn't really fit over the top. I'm just gonna set it on top, and then I'm gonna stick this in the fridge, and then we'll look at it in the morning. But you can still literally see through it right now, as you can see. You can see the whole filter. Oops. So you can literally see in it right now. You can see the whole filter and everything. And then inside. And yeah, so I'll show you what it looks like in the morning. Okay, it's the next day and the coffee is ready. And you know, I don't feel real secure on doing this one-handed because of the size. So I'm gonna get this out and on the counter. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get this out of the jar, kind of let it strain all the way. And I'm just gonna put it over here. And then I'm gonna put my lid on. I love this lid. I found it on Amazon and it's like the sturdiest thing in the world. So, and literally I'm not afraid to pick this up, like no problem. Like it's super sturdy. This is County Line Kitchen is the brand on it. So, and then this just pops open. And then I just got done making some oat milk in my nut milk machine. So it also does oat milk and rice milk, etc. So I'm just gonna kind of swirl this around, and I happen to have a fun cup here to pour some coffee in. And so I do about 3/4 coffee and then like a blip of cream. And you can do it without, obviously, too. 2 blips of cream, and then my long skinny spoon for stirring, and voila, delicious cold brew coffee that you made yourself, and let's get sipping on it. Okay friends, we made some lovely cold brew for a hot summer day and poured it over some ice, and I added my own oat milk that I made as well. So I'm gonna get sipping on this, and one of the reasons why you wanna do cold brew is because it has super low acidity level than regular coffee. So just one of those fun benefits, and you can make it as sweet as you want. So I appreciate you stopping by my channel, and if you like videos like this, hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. I'm gonna get sipping on this. Yeah, that's good. Summer's getting hot, so it's refreshing. So I just thought I'd show you, and what else? I'm gonna take a sip of it while I'm thinking about what to say. And you know, one of the reasons why you want to do cold brew, and it is actually, oh gosh, what's the word I'm looking for? I might have to Google it. I'm trying to think of the word. Acidic, there it is. I'll be back.